Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about some of our special words in the science. So first one is chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the science of matter. This may sound simple, but it is also complex because it covers wide aspect in our universe, from core of our earth to farthest galaxy from us, from our sun to the farthest point of our universe, or etc. Chemistry is everything in everywhere. Now, our next topic, which comes after this, is definition of chemistry. This was the general term, and now let us see the definition of chemistry. Chemistry is the study of matter, including its composition, structure, and properties. This is very simple definition. It is a very complex subject in reality. Really, it's a very complex subject. You can say difficult but interesting. Now, what are the things which comes in chemistry? So following things comes in the criteria of chemistry. That why sky is blue. Okay, sky is blue because the light which comes from the sun when reflect from the surface of the water, it trapped in our environment, and due to that we think that sky is blue. It appears to us that sky is blue, but it is not the reality. The sky's real color is black. Second topic: how does an insect walk across the surface of wall? This is also the question or topic of the chemistry. So there are a lot of topics of the chemistry that why does the temperature of an hot object is cooled down automatically even we do not do anything on it. So it's also the topic of chemistry. There are a lot of topic etc which comes into the criteria of chemistry. So after chemistry, now our next topic which comes in this is statistics. Statistics is the branch of science, or you can say it comes into the criteria of mathematics, and mathematics comes into the branch of science. So generally, in general term, we can say that statistics is the branch of science which deals with the collection, analysis, and interpretation of data, numerical data. It is an applied science. So total work of statistics is to simplify the entire data. Suppose that there is a table which is given to us. So statistics means we will simplify the data so that we can understand that table or any data or any information easily. Data is always presented in grouped or ungrouped manner. So there is two types in which we can define the data. First one is ungrouped data, which is known as raw data. In this, information are not completely given, not clearly given to us. Now the second one is group data. In this, the data or information is classified very well, which we can understand very easily. So statistics is very useful to us. It is not the real science, it is the applied science. So there are some limitations of statistics also. It does not deal with the individual measurement. Yes, it really does not deal with the individual measurement. Suppose we have the data, there is a table given to us. In this is row. So if we see the rows, we will see all the observations. In this row we will see all the observation together, and if we talk about the column, we will find out the average, so that we average of this column, average of this column, this we can compare them easily. So in does not matter in which direction we will see the information, we always get the information of the entire table, not a individual measurement. At least more than one individual. It means, so I think you have understood very well that what is statistics, what is chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science in which we think, study etc about the matter, and in statistics we will discuss about the data, and in that data we never discuss about the individual measurement, we at least talk about the two measurements. Thank you. I hope you like this video very much.